Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is pedantic. It is pronounced P-Dan-Tic, and it is spelt P-E-D-A-N-T-I-C. Think ped, then an, and then tic. Pedantic means excessively concerned with minor details or rules. For example, you could say, the pedantic marker circled every tiny mistake in my exam. Pedantic comes from the word pedant. A pedant is a person who is excessively concerned with minor details and rules or with displaying academic learning. Based on this, can you think of anyone you know who's a bit of a pedant? How about your school teachers? The word pedant comes from the Italian word pedante, which literally means like an old-fashioned strict school teacher. Maybe this will help you remember the meaning in the future. Teachers are often correcting mistakes, even the tiniest ones, which can make them seem a bit pedantic. In the sitcom The Big Bang Theory, Sheldon is a very pedantic character. He is very knowledgeable, but he picks the other characters up on every small mistake, making everything into a lesson. He also takes great pride in being smarter than others and brags about his own intelligence. What a pedant! Pedantic is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, he was so pedantic that it took him 2 hours to finish his perfect essay. Pedantic is defined in the dictionary as giving too much attention to formal rules or small details. Pedantic synonyms include over-scrupulous, scrupulous, precise, exact, perfectionist, meticulous, and fussy. Antonyms include plain, simple, imprecise, and informal. See if you can spot anyone being pedantic today. Without being rude, maybe politely remind them that it's okay to make small mistakes every now and then. Try to use your new word today, pedantic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.